Welcome back to my channel. More information, visit our official website, official online store. This video will show you how to register Microsoft Hotmail account. Go to Microsoft website. Click Create Free Account. Enter the new preferred email username. I enter my own preferred email username. Select either one from the options. Click Next. Enter your own preferred password. Some tips for create new password. Click Next. Enter your preferred first name and last name. I will enter my preferred first name and last name. Click Next. Select your country and date of birth. Click Next. Click Next. Follow the instruction to complete the robot verification challenge. Verification completed. Click Yes. Hotmail account setting up. Click OK. Hotmail account created.